Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see the difference between select columns and add columns. So this question was asked to me in Intel interview, and so I thought of making a video to explain the differences. So basically select columns is used to select specific columns from a table and optionally rename them, resulting in a new table with only the chosen columns. So in select columns, when you use the select column syntax, you take the existing table and you create a new table with only the required columns from the existing table. So this is the select columns. And add columns is used to add new calculated columns to an existing table, resulting in a new table that includes all original columns plus the new calculated columns. Suppose if you want to create new calculated columns in the existing table, say you have quantity and you have amount, and if you want to calculate a new column called total sales, you can use add columns. So add columns, what it will do, it will take the existing table entire schema and create new columns with the new definitions you have introduced. So these are the differences between select columns and add columns. So to explain this with an example, I have created this table called sales. So you have this you have this data, you have order ID, customer ID, product ID, quantity and amount. So now let's see the select columns and add columns, how it works. So for that I'll create a new table, new calculated table. So new table, and I'll rename this first. Let's say select columns, select T. I'll rename this table as select T, and select columns of sales, comma, name, let's keep amount. Okay, first let's keep orders, and sales of order ID, comma, amount, sales of amount. So when I click this, a new table is created with the name select T, and if you see in select columns, it creates a new table only with the mentioned columns. So here I have mentioned only sales, order ID and sales amount. So orders and amount is created. So only these two tables are these two columns are there. And now I'll create a new table again, and I'll rename this as add T. So add columns, sales, comma, name, total sales, comma, it's sales of amount into sales of quantity. So basically I am creating a calculated column, total sales, which multiplies the amount into quantity, and it will give me the total sales. And when I click this commit, I'll see this new table called add T. So in this it copies the existing schema from the sales table. So amount is there, customer ID, order ID, product ID, quantity is there, and total sales. Total sales is a new column added. So if you want to see the schema here this is how we go. So add T, new add T selected here. So this new column total sales got created. It is 2 into amount, it's a value of quantity into amount. So 2 into 200, 1 into 150 and 3 into 450. And if you go to select T, only these two columns are created. So this is the difference between select columns and add columns. So hope you understood the difference between select columns and add columns. And please click on this like button if you like this content, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos on DAX. Thank you. Have a nice day.